Improvising skills. We set plans, targets, and timelines in the hope of achieving them without any major interruptions to our original thinking. Yet sometimes, things just don't often go as planned. The difference between success and failure is not so much stubbornly sticking to your plans irrespective of the changes around you, but having capacity to adapt given the emerging circumstances. As such, improvising skills are important. What is improvising skills? Improvising is making changes to adapt to the needs of the situation. It is going with the flow of things and not stubbornly sticking to your guns on a planned approach that is not going to work. It is about making do with what you have and making the most of it to adapt to the situation that is unfolding. Example 1. You are an experienced piano player and recently a friend of yours has given you a piece of music to play. Strangely, you only see the notes for the right hand written along the treble clef, but there are no notes for the left hand on the bass clef. You begin to play with your right hand and soon get the beautiful melody and begin to improvise what the left hand will sound like. Example 2. A good rule of thumb is to always remind yourself that many roads lead to Rome. If one approach doesn't work, try another. Improvise on alternatives to get you to your destination. Similarly, there is more than one way to say, "I love you." Example 3. There are 12 of you in the project team. 5 of you have arrived on time for a major team meeting at 2 p.m. However, the remaining 7 have still not arrived and it is already 2:15 p.m. What do? Instead of wasting time, do a soft start to the meeting to get things moving and to respect time. Why is it important? Plans, targets, and timelines are important, yet one cannot be sure what lies ahead as we implement them over time. Having an open mindset that is flexible and adaptable to make changes along the way, in new and profound ways, will make you more versatile and agile as you aim to achieve the overall big picture you set out to achieve. Exercise. How to practice and apply it. As you work on your current project or task, always think about the overall big picture of what it will take to get the job done. As things change along the way, much of which may be unanticipated, make adjustments here and there, improvise to help you move forward and still aim for a high-quality output.